Hello, Compete for Mansion fans. Skizzle is sick at the time of this show episode, so I, Hurt, will be co-hosting. Scissors is eliminated.
Today's challenge is to survive me.
Should we help them?
No, definitely not. They're on the other team, so we have an advantage. Anyways, we might get ourselves killed. You okay, Toasty?
Yeah, I guess. I just miss Scissors a lot. Come here, you dim-witted murderer.
Halt.
Hurt, did you kill my contestant?
Yes, I did.
Hurt, we need to have a talk, and everyone is up for elimination for listening to the psychopath.